Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2009 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine, plus enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.